Do you know that in almost every movie, they use halation effect to give a cinematic look to their movies? So today we are going to see how we can do that in our videos in Davinci Resolve. So we have two options of doing it. First is for the free version, and then second is for the paid version, so let's get right into it. So for the first free version, I'm going to show you how we can do it after selecting footage, go to color page and make a separate node and right-click on it, and then change the composite mode to screen, then click on Effect Panel and search Edge Detection, and drag that into the node. Then you will notice that it's looking pretty bad. Then don't worry. Just change the RGB to grayscale edge and then change the color from white to between red and orange, because generally the halation effect is in. Turn on the edge mask overlay. Now, if you look at that, it doesn't look very good. So what we can do is go to curves and click here and drag it all the way down and adjust it as you like it. I would suggest to put it in like this then. If you see it's not looking good, also it's looking like some neon light onto the edges. So to make it look good, what we can do is in the edge detect. We can see edge width. We can increase or decrease it as per our liking. But as of now, I have put it to 0.211. Then we can change the brightness as our liking. But I don't recommend it to push it too much as it doesn't look good. So I would recommend to let it between 1 to 2 and then adjust the gamma as per your liking. But as you can see, it is looking like neon strips all over. So to soften that, we will go to the glow tab and increase this RGB to around 80 to 90 as per your liking. And if you think that it's a bit too glowing, then you can use the global blend to increase or decrease the overall intensity of the effect. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good. Now let's compare it to the build and paid halation effect, which comes built-in. So to bring that effect in their paid version effect, what we can do is just go to the effect tab, search for halation, and we'll find the halation effect, then drag it to the node, and it's that simple in the paid version. Now let's compare it to our version, which we have made in the free version. So this is what we made, and this is the paid halation effect. So to save this effect for future use, just go to the gallery. Then click this memory button and then click on this and open them up. And to save this effect, click on node, then click Alt+1, and then effect will come here, then right click and click on add power grade album, and then drag and drop the effect here and rename it as you like. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.